Come on, Greyhound. Greyhound, come back to the 360 down here by the Commodore Barry Bridge. Let's go. I got you, 135. I'm going to try to get that Greyhound in there. Come on, Greyhound, fire it up. Come on, talk, Greyhound. Let's go. Yeah, go ahead, 150. Get that Golden Eagle on there. Put that Golden Eagle on there, man. Hey, you can check out the video gate at TJAY Hummel, HUMMEL, Fishing and Radios on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, you're talking on the Sedelta right now. Yeah, that's the loudest mic I've ever heard. Yeah, that radio's badass. Yeah, you're feeding back in something, but not bad. All right, I'm coming up to the toll booth, man. I'm coming up to the toll booth at the Commodore Barry Bridge there, Greyhound.
You're coming up to the toll booth. I got every bit of that.
Man, you are one loud dude. How about that quarter pill mobile? You still got a grip on 360?
Yes, sir. Just put over here to I-95 Central Park.
410 on I-95 Central Park. I'm not going to key up. That bitch is loud as hell. How about it, Greyhound? 150. 150, 360, climbing the bridge. Tell them all you hear. Hey, Greyhound, tell them all you hear is 360 in the mobile. You tell him all you hear is 360 getting on down.
Hey, we hear you 360. Joe's in here.
How about it there, 433? How about it, 433? 870 watts just got down. Don't make me put it on you, son. I'll make you famous. Hey, 150. Hey, 150, tell him I'm going to make you famous right about now. Yeah, that's right. Let me dial a watt here. Let me dial a watt on you, man. Let me heat these things up, come on. I'm about to flick it on the high side, son. Tell him 1, 2, 3, 4. Ask him, do he want some more? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Boss hog and more boss hog just got down. Condition maker, condition maker, condition maker. 360 boss hog and I'm gone. That guy's close. Bad boy toys for bad boys. Oh, Dr. Gigawatt in the Mobile. I don't know. All right. Greyhound, you're killing everybody. Man, you're loud, dude. I got it on Videogate. I got it on Videogate. I got it on Videogate, hitting on 95. Getting on 95 right now. All right, I'm going to upload it to YouTube, Roger. In the 289 Mobile.